This is a 112.5 degree offset bend. So this fitting is used to bring your downpipe from the running outlet. So running outlet, which is this fitting right here. So you bring your downpipe from the outlet to the wall or so. So and use two of those to make like a swan neck. So use two of the 112.5 degree offset bends to make like a swan neck. So you can either join them together like that if you have a short offset, but if the offset is a bit long, then you need to put like a bit of pipe between the two of the 112.5 degree bends. And the diameter of these fittings, it's for 18mm, so it's for your 18mm downpipe. Yeah, this is for your 18mm downpipe system. So these two offset bends. So you need a bit of pipe between these two. So the pipe will slot onto the spigot right here, and then the pipe will slot into the socket of this fitting right here. So you take the socket, and then the pipe will slot in there, and then for the spigot, the pipe will slot onto the spigot. That means a spigot will slot into the pipe. Yeah, or another fitting like that. Also, so you can do that together also. So if you have a short offset, you can join them together. If it's a longer offset, then you need a bit of pipe between also. And also it's always recommended to support the offset bends with a pipe clip. So you've got this clip right here. This is just a single fixed clip, meaning it's got a single screw hole right here. It's just a screw hole there. So you just need one screw, and then screw it onto the wall also, and then you can slide your offset bend onto it also, like that. This is how you support offset bends. There you go. And then offset bend can be connected directly onto the running outlet, just like that. But if the soffit or the fascia board is a bit deep, then you need to put like drop it down a bit, and you need to put a bit of pipe between. So you need to put a bit of 18mm downpipe between right there. So cut a little bit off, and then slot it onto the running outlet spigot, and then you can put the offset bend or so like that. So like that. Yeah. And this is made by FloPlast, as you can see. So you see the writing on the offset bend. See, FloPlast, 80mm times 80mm. So it's the diameter of the system. So it's for your 80mm downpipe, and the angle is 112.5 degrees, and the code is RBH2. Yeah. There's also 92.5 degree offset bend for the 80mm downpipe system as well. That will be the RBH1. And then it's got the British standard also. And then also the material PVC unplasticized. So, yeah. And this is how an offset bend works. And this is how you install an offset bend for your downpipe. Yeah.